Hey y'all, welcome back to Spirit of the Outdoors. First thing I want to say is happy 4th of July to everybody. I know some of y'all that may be overseas may not be as excited about it as we are, but it is a day that we celebrate the freedom that we have in this nation. And I wanted to go back and we're going to shoot some black powder today. Been a while since I've done any black powder videos, and it's something that's part of the reason that we have the freedom that we have. It's these rights that we have to enjoy and to be able to hunt, to fish, to defend ourselves. Now, honest to God, we're not going to defend ourselves with this type of weapon anymore. So this is more about burning some black powder, having a little fun and doing things our style. Instead of buying firecrackers and just shooting up, a bunch of explosive stuff, expensive. Hey, we got a little powder horn. We got some black powder. I got my pouch on that Mike Sabella sent me. And we're going to shoot this 50 caliber trapper. This is a Traditions. It's made in Spain. I picked this up at a local pawn shop. Got a really good deal on it. I've had it for a while. And I think I have everything that I need to shoot it. It's been a while since we played with any black powder. So we're going to try to shoot some... probably 30 grains of 2F powder, and I have got a milk jug right here full of water. We're gonna shoot at that, and I'm gonna be shooting a bullet, not necessarily a round ball. All right, my ball starter. We've got this bullet right here, and I have some more of them. Let me lay out some of my patch lube. This is the bullet that we're gonna be shooting. And I have a mold for it. I make these, and this is not something I hunt with. I hunt with round ball. So we're gonna just sling these. I hadn't really found a rifle that they're accurate in, so that's what we're gonna be shooting today. Y'all hang with us. Let's see if we can put a good video together. Y'all, I was gonna set this up. Let me cut some of these bushes right here out of the way. Briars right here. Way everything. I was gonna hang this up with a string, but I couldn't find an ideal limb. I think that right there will make a good shot. So let's see, and y'all look. We're not gonna be shooting no long ways. This is about a 15-yard at best shot, maybe 20, about 15. And just to do some shooting, we're not trying to target practice, see how good we can hit with this pistol. Okay, y'all, before the mosquitoes absolutely eat me up, let's get this video made. I'm telling y'all, they done got bad down here in Mississippi. We got some number 11 CCI percussion caps that we're gonna shoot, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is load. I don't have a powder measurer like preset like deer antler. At 30 grains, I think I'm just gonna shoot 30 like this. The first thing I want to do is make sure that it's clear. It is. I don't know how clear. I might ought to fire a cap through it. Probably should, but I'm not. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to load all the powder. And then I'm going to double check. Y'all, these mosquitoes is tough. They are zooming around everywhere in these woods. You can't hardly get in the woods after this time of year between now and like the first frost. It's literally that bad. I think I'm gonna go old school instead of the board because I ain't, y'all, I got mosquitoes trying to get in my eyeballs. Them things are ruthless down here. I did not bring the patch knife with me. Tell you what I do, I use my pocket knife. It's easier than this big knife. Alright. Okay, y'all, let's fire a round off. Let's let freedom ring, baby. Well, I hit the very top of the jug. Let's reload it and do it again. All right. We're gonna double hand it, so make sure we hit it this time, y'all. Looks like we blowed it to pieces there. Y'all, that's fun right there now. Well, we busted our milk jug up. We need to tack up a piece of board on a tree. So let's turn the camera around and get us a piece of cardboard made with a target on it. See where we hit. All right, let's move some of the accoutrements right here out of the way. Put me a dot on the middle of this right here. All right, mosquito. That is good enough with old Sharpie. I think I got a nail in a pocket somewhere. Or I thought I did. No, I stuck it in this pocket over here. Alright, that is why we brought the old tomahawk. We're gonna go hammer this to a tree. This probably ain't the best thing to be doing, the old tree. Need to get it turned around over there the right way. Alright, that's good enough. That's all we need, something up here to shoot at. Maybe it won't hurt the old tree, just a shot or two. Alright, I probably need to wipe this thing out a little bit. So I did bring some old patch. Now I tell you what I brought. In the field, Mr. Randall Ross gave me this idea. He said, tie your stuff to a string. That way you can ram it down in there. You don't have to worry about it getting hung up and having to have a puller now. And I've got it wadded up right here. But this is basically a string. Okay, so what you gonna do right here, I put this in my mouth, dampen it a little bit, poke it in there, and then you can take your ramrod, run it all the way down, and see the string will allow you to pull it back out. So you can kind of swab your barrel in a rifle or anything. Y'all, this makes more sense for cleaning a gun than anything, because see, you can just pull that rat back out. I would suggest that to anybody. Make sure you blow that out good. All right. Let's load her back up. I want to shoot some more. We want to burn some powder. I'd really like to burn some mosquitoes is what I'd like to burn. Good Lord, that went in my ear. In my ear hole. Y'all, I ain't gonna hide nothing from you. Right straight off the bat, I broke my ball starter. I mean, it just, I don't know. It don't seem like nothing ever wants to go right for me when I'm fooling with this stuff. So, if y'all wonder why I'm doing things the way I'm doing, that's why I'm doing it like that. Because it's about overcoming and adapting. So what I done is I stuck that up there like that and just lightly tap. We're not doing no. There we go. All right. Now we got her. Give us another cap. All right. I set that target up down there where I can shoot from right here. Here we go, y'all. Set the set trigger. Woo! That's a lot of fun. Y'all smell that black powder burning? Ooh. I can see where I hit. There's no need in a walking down there. Somebody said, don't blow down the barrel. Well, I'm gonna tell y'all, I like to blow down the barrel, I'm gonna blow down the barrel, okay? It ain't a good idea, you don't do that. I like to do it, okay? Because somebody will wanna know, why are you doing that? Because I like to. Best way to do things is the way you like to do it. I heard somebody say that one time somewhere. I don't know, y'all ever heard that? See if we can back her off. Smoke her down. Set the set trigger. Woo! Woo! I like it, y'all. I like it. Doggone if I don't believe that and hit the dead center. I can't really tell from here. Unless, somebody will scold me, sure enough. Y'all the mosquitoes is just toting me off. Just going and a coming. I probably lost a pint of blood since I've been here. That's probably why I'm feeling lightheaded, reckon. All right, where's my gunpowder? Right there. All right, we got cannonballs coming back at us and all such as that. We need to hurry up and load up again. We got 30 grains right there. We ain't gonna bother to swab a barrel out. We done showed y'all how to do that one time. You need to swab your barrel between every shot, okay? But the best way to do things is the way you like to do it. I just remember hearing that somewhere along the way. Y'all like my boots I got on? I broke these out just for y'all. I know you can't see me over here. I think I missed one shot. I thought I hit the bullseye, but I think I completely missed one of them. Because I'll tell you what happened. I kind of rushed my shot. I was a mite excited. But now the ones I took my time and aimed, I did really good on. So I don't know where that other one went. But anyway, boy, that pond done turned green on us. All right, y'all, let's take one of these old knee shots right here like we We done hunkered down behind one of them trees up there in Pennsylvania somewhere, and them red coaches are coming over the hill, and we just burning them up one right after the other one. So we got one over yonder, and he's on a horse and got his sword out, and he's waving it around out in the broad open like a monkey, and we fixing to take him right off of it with this here pistol. Let's get that set trigger set. We got him. He's down. Down he went. Y'all let freedom ring today. Happy 4th of July. I hope all of you have a wonderful day. Hey, y'all, be safe. If you drink, stay off the roads. Thank you for watching Spirit of the Outdoors. Remember, the best way to do things is the way you like to do it. We'll see y'all. Y'all have a good one. Oh yeah, I hit the black dot right there. That's pretty good shooting.